This conference will now be recorded.
Mango. Oh my God.
Which is the story?
I did two of them, three of them. Two were similar, so I did two. I did create password and reset password and lab test and result.
Let's go through create password. Create password, is it?
Yeah.
I see business rule is written here itself.
Sorry?
Business rule, you have put it here
No,
itself.
actually, I went on that, but it didn't allow me to add
Same
something.
here, Rajiv. It didn't allow me to put extra space on that. So,
Yes.
yeah,
How come?
I
Not
tried to, but
sure. I tried to, yeah, but it didn't allow me, so I just put everything here.
Is that okay? Why is that? Yeah, what is the problem, Isa?
we cannot add the column.
Were you
The
able to
more,
see
Yeah.
this?
We
Click it.
I
No,
didn't
you
even
can, you
add
can.
add it. No,
See
it
this?
didn't allow us.
Okay, so what you need to do is, so you are able to get into edit mode.
Mm, No, even didn't that. I did add it, but it didn't give anything. So it didn't allow me anything to do.
1 second. Let's see. It's become a little slow. Give me a minute. No data to display. We can't find this chart so stable. What happened?
Hi, Rajiv.
Hey, hi. Thanks for joining.
see,
So
the
I
Rajiv,
click
if
on.
you go down, do you have this add thing? Like, we cannot do that.
Did something happen? It says. Do you see this error?
Let me open it just a second.
I didn't see any error.
When you go to
No,
Confluence,
Yeah, when you go to business rules,
I have everything as it is.
no, I have
when,
everything.
when you click on edit, let me refresh this
Yeah,
page.
yeah, yeah. When we do edit, then this error, no data to display comes.
What happened?
Where did you? Okay. Yeah, same here. No.
Oh, I'm not sure what happened here.
Yeah, same here.
Let me copy this. See if I can add a new page. Okay, I'm adding a new page. Not sure what happened to that page. So I'll publish. Okay. Now I'll try to edit this. Let's see. Do you see this business rules? Another page. Just refresh your screens and then see if there is a new page.
If we go to edit, it shows again no data to display, that error.
No. Go to new business rules. I created a new page now.
Yeah, I went in
Where
that
to look
only.
for pages? Okay, I got it.
I
Business
went in
rule
that only.
How is that?
loaded 35 seconds ago. Okay. Yeah, I got it.
Just business rule, right?
Yes.
I cannot see that.
Refresh your page.
Yeah, one second.
Yeah, even if I refresh, it's saying no data to display.
The new one.
I got it in pages. Go to pages and then
Yeah.
they will see how many seconds ago. So it should be 1 minute ago.
Yeah. This one. I'm pointing to it.
Which one?
If you can see my screen,
Yeah.
this is a new page.
Business rule. I cannot get the business rule. That's just business rule catalog. I cannot see this one.
Did you refresh your page?
Yes, I did.
Okay. It should be there. Can you share your screen?
I'm in a phone. I'm with the phone.
Oh,
Yeah, you
okay.
want me to share?
But you are already getting it, right?
No, I'm not getting it.
Okay. Please go ahead and give me a minute. Let me make it present. Yeah, go ahead.
Here, right, Rajiv?
Mhm. Yeah. So,
Yeah, I'm
uh,
also having the same thing.
okay. Can you click on the icon below that home icon?
This
Recent.
one?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Click on the last one, last icon page.
It says
Oh,
drafts.
the drafts. Is it? Click on the star favorites. Start. Oh, okay. Click on home again. Okay. View all.
So
View.
go to the
View.
business rule catalog. That's what I did. Go to the business rule catalog,
Here?
the original one. Yes. And
Maybe
now,
Rajiv, you have not did that view to all.
no, no,
Maybe.
no. Girl, go to
Or go to
Yeah,
pages.
you
business.
see business rule. Yeah, you see business rule there, bottom.
Go to
Yeah, this
pages.
one?
Yeah, that.
Yeah.
Try to edit that. Edit that.
Yes. There you go.
Edit. Okay.
Yeah.
The problem that you're
Okay.
facing here is you told you are not able to add rows, is it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Just close that right side, learn the basics. Okay. Now, okay, just got it. Now come down, scroll down.
Yeah.
Okay. Just point at the bottom of the table, bottom
Yeah.
corner of the table. Just point somewhere. Or see if you see a small table options. Click on table options.
Okay.
Uh, no, a headed row.
Header
Okay.
row.
Oh, no. If headed row is added, or just point at that line, bottom line. You can minimize this. Close it. Yeah. Like, just hover over that line. Hover over that line.
Mm-hmm.
Let me show. Let me show. Okay. I'll
Yeah.
share my screen. Let me know once you're able to see my screen.
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. See, I'll go to edit mode. Okay. And what I'll do is I'll just see this plus mark
Mm-hmm.
inside below. That's all. This is what you wanted to do, right?
Yeah, got
What
it.
did you Raju? Plus, and what is the next step?
Just
Just
hit on this
plus.
plus.
Just plus.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to add a column, just hover over here. Yes, you can auto. Yeah. See. Yeah. Here anyway you have column if you want to add. Where is it? Column.
It might be
Yeah.
upside
You can
down.
add here. Yeah. See here. Plus you can add. I can remove this also.
Control Z. You can do Control Z.
Using column. So I just want to delete this. So I'll select this and why is the complete thing getting selected? Okay, and then click on this cross. Makes sense? This is what you're trying to do, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. I'll just publish this. You can add it later.
Yeah.
Now let's review the stories. So this is to create password. As a user, I want to create password to health management website so that I can log into my portal for the needs securely. Securely, right? And password should have at least one uppercase. At least one uppercase, one numeric, one special character. Uh, it's minimum 8 to 12 digits. No, minimum should be a single number. It cannot be 8 or 12, right? It should be either 8 or 12.
8 to
Minimum of
12.
8,
I just.
character with minimum of 8 and maximum of 12. Is that what you mean?
Yes.
Yeah, so, okay, it should be minimum of 8
No,
and
no.
maximum.
Minimum of 8 or 12 means if they do 8, even 9, even 10, like that. Till 12, like that.
So that means minimum is 8, correct?
No. For as the what I wrote, what the main meaning was, minimum should be 8 means.
Okay.
8 to 12. Minimum. Yeah, means minimum 8, max 12. Right.
Minimum 8, max 12, yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe you can rephrase that, yeah.
Yeah.
So, password should have one uppercase. Do you want to have at least one lowercase also? Password
No,
should
that's
have
okay. Rest they can put a lowercase, but one uppercase, one numeric, and one special character is needed. Like that means.
so what if I, type all uppercase?
But
So
I have
you do
updated. Password should have one uppercase.
only
Means
one
just
uppercase.
one. Yes.
Okay, okay. Only one uppercase. Only one number. Only one
Yeah,
special
and one
character.
special character, and rest whatever they want to put, they can put till 8 to
Uh,
12 digits, like that.
But that is little tricky one. Better to have is at least one uppercase, at least one number, at least
Yeah,
one
at
special
least.
character.
Yeah, means at least I have not put. Okay.
Correct, correct. It should be at least one,
Yeah, got you.
right? Yeah, and at least one, small,
Yeah.
lowercase letter. Okay, okay, okay. If the above criteria is not matched, then show error message. Criteria not met. Okay, should not be same as the first name and last name. Password should be strong. When you say strong, anyway, first sentence says that it's strong, right? Uh,
Yeah, but sometimes if we whenever we create a password, sometimes it shows in the system that your password is strong, your password is medium, like that.
okay, so password strength should be shown. It's password strength. Okay, I hope you are
Yes.
making notes and
Yeah, right.
password strength should be shown. Okay,
Yes, yes,
cool.
I got you.
And Okay. Password, actually, this is like this. Password should not be same as username, right?
No, sometimes what people do, the username is whatever it is, but sometimes what they do, they just to make it easy to remember, they just write their surname. Usually, sometimes I also do the same thing. That's why we just put the
Mm,
surname and some numbers, and the password is done like that. So
mm.
that's why I write that.
Okay, okay. Sure, sure. Okay, fine. So acceptance criteria. Given given user has already created username to health management's website. This is you do it along with this, meaning username and password you usually do it
You do
together, right?
together. Yes, right,
Together,
right,
yeah,
right.
yeah. Given
Okay,
you can put given user is new to the health management and creating a password.
okay.
When user wants to create password for login to portal, then the criteria given in additional, uh, then the user should be able to create a password with the criteria mentioned in the business rule.
Got you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine. Fine. This is only one, is it?
And similar, there was one similar to create password was a reset password, so I even did that because it was
Okay.
similar, not much different.
Understood. Reset, right?
Yeah.
What is ID?
No, reset password. 14th. Number 14.
Okay. As a user, I want to reset password so that I can. As a user, I want to reset my password so that the reason for resetting password is either you are trying to secure your account or you are.
So we can write like that. I thought that way that
Hmm,
maybe they forget the password, so they want to reset, or they just
hmm.
want to reset like that. They want, so we can
Yeah,
write like that as well.
yeah, you can add details. Yes, you can.
Okay.
Additional details includes validate username by registered email ID or phone number. Password should not be same for as last three passwords if the above criteria is not matched. Then show a message. See from last three.
Sometimes what happened,
Uh,
even that I had all did by myself as well. Sometimes if I forget the password and when I create the new password, I write the same password like last one, but there's some mistake, so I it shows me that the password is incorrect. So that's why I put this point.
okay, okay. Maybe you can rephrase this. Same from last week. It's password is password cannot be same or something. Rephrase this error message.
Okay.
Password should have one uppercase, one numeric, and one. This also same thing. Whatever we
Yeah, same
discussed.
thing. Yeah, yeah, right.
Okay. Password should not be same as first name or last name. Okay. And password should be strong. Yeah, same
Means
comments holds.
strength. Yeah, same
Yeah.
comments. Yeah.
Given user already has an account of the portal, user wants to reset the password. Again, the additional details should be. Then user should be able to reset the password by following the criteria mentioned.
Perfect. Yeah. Okay.
So yeah, should be able to
Got it.
reset the password by following the criteria mentioned. Okay.
Okay. Got you.
Okay. Fine.
And one also
Okay.
I did is lab test and result. I don't know about that.
Mm. As a user, I want to view all my lab results and tests so that I can view details. User, I want to view all my lab results and tests so that I can view details when needed. You're already viewing it. I want to view your say. I want to view all my lab results and tests
Yes,
so that
yes.
uh,
Ex-
I can reference it for my use, right? So something like that. Mm. Why do you want to view it? Maybe
Retrieve
sorry,
or retrieve
access.
instead of view can be mentioned retrieve details.
retrieve. Yeah, I want to retrieve all my lab results and tests so that I can view. Correct, exactly. Make it as retrieve.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Additional details I should be able to filter by past 6 months data, last year, last 5 years, annual check update. Also, I want an option to download my results if needed. Okay, user already registered in portal, and user wants to view the results in the portal, then the additional details should be matched. Given user is registered to the portal, when user wants to view the past lab results, then user should be allowed to view by allowed to view based on the filters that the user has selected. Based on the filters that
Yeah,
the
so
user
it means
selects,
I just got
we,
that I need to write something in detail, not just
yes,
one
yes,
line.
correct,
Got you.
correct, correct,
Yeah,
yeah.
got you.
Okay, fine, sure. Thanks, Pooja. Ami, which are the ones you wrote?
Yes, Rajiv, before we start, I have just a quick question
Mhm,
that I did two, and I did two in different ways. One, I did it
mhm,
your ways, and one, I did it according to my understanding by searching the web. So just want to make
okay.
just look for it and let me know which one is the correct
Yeah, yeah,
way.
yeah, sure, sure,
Okay.
sure. Which are the
So
ones?
first one is go for a human validation.
Okay. Mhm, okay. User story BR told.
So I just wanted to make a hyperlink, but it didn't allow me to open that
Okay,
rules.
okay.
So it's just as it is.
As a user or patient, I want to clear the security step so that it can provide successful login in a, so that it allows me to log in. It allows me to successfully log in. Correct? It allows. So just rephrase that.
Okay.
Acceptance criteria. Given user is able to clear security measure for human validation when user is able to select correct images from the given option. No, you are saying you are already cleared. What is the precondition? Precondition is given user wants to clear,
Okay.
right? Given user wants to clear security measure,
But
that is
then it will
human
be the same sentence as a user story.
sorry.
If I put want, then it
Ah,
will be the same sentence as the user story.
a precondition is pretty similar to user story. Correct. Precondition it remains the same.
Okay.
It's almost the same. The precondition when user is able to select the correct image from the given options, then the user is successfully able to enter a health management system. Okay. For human validation, user has to identify familiar objects from given images. Clear written instructions should be written to differentiate all image. It should be consistent of real life images. User can be easily recognize differences. For example, find out images of cars from given images. Okay. There should be a minimum of 4 to 9 images available in different each of them. Okay. User should select minimum of 3 to 4 images for acceptance. User can only be user can only complete the task by selecting the right images. When user clicks wrong image, then alert should be pop alert error message. For
Yes.
secondary try, uh, there should be an instruction pop saying try again. On multiple try, user is putting on hold for 15 minutes. User should be allowed to log in successfully after selecting right images.
This is all.
There's a yeah.
Mm.
Go ahead, go ahead. This is fine actually. This is good. Yeah. We here rephrase a little given when then. Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
it should be similar as a user story.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Yeah.
Rajiv, okay, so
Uh,
this one, human, so what you read everything, that was
mm,
my understanding from the all web search, and usually I see that the user story is just one or two sentence like that. I want so that, and just finish the
uh,
sentence, and then in acceptance criteria,
uh,
they explain everything, how,
true, true, true.
what, not,
Yeah.
right?
In acceptance criteria, what you do is you explain all the negative scenarios and everything, which
Yes,
we tried to put it in a business rule itself. What we
right.
did is we tried to put it in business rule and reference that to acceptance criteria. If
Okay,
business rule doesn't make sense, you can mention it like this,
okay.
right?
So
Oh,
now check my other one, medicine from history, patient history, medicine. So that I
mm,
did your way.
number,
Oh my God, I don't remember the number. Medication right here, 30.
medication, 28, right?
30 or 28, yeah.
28, yeah.
Yes, yes, 28, yes.
As a user or patient, I want to update medicine details so that
Upload,
I
I
can
s-
view my uh, upload. I want to upload medicine details so that I can view my current and past medical history. Mhm. I want to upload medical details in the portal. Be specific, okay?
okay,
And user should be able to enter medicine details by providing medicine name, dosage, date and time of duration prescribed by. Okay, cool. Given user or patient should be able to view medicine report. So just current available session, then user should be able to success. Now given and then are same here, right? Given should be precondition. Precondition is given user uh, is registered and wants to upload medical details,
okay,
right? So then sounds good. Details when user is using tablet to put medicine name, it should provide all medicine name in background, so user can easily select. Okay, pre-populate you mean, right?
yes, like when we try to put the first
Yeah,
or two letter, then the whole thing is coming up.
pre-populate. Yeah, you can use the
What
word pre-populate.
what does it call?
Autofill or pre-populate.
Pre-populate. Okay.
Autofill is the right word. Autofill.
Okay.
Yeah, or auto suggestions. Correct. Auto suggestions.
Okay.
Yeah. Click on selected option. That medicine should stay in the record. Okay. This is only able to complete the process. Medicine name, dosage time, and prescribed name are fulfilled. On incomplete details, error message must be appear. No, why error message? On incomplete details, you disable
So,
the save button. Simple. If all the fields are not filled, just disable the save button. User cannot save. Only when
disable the
all the
save.
fields are entered, the save button will be enabled.
Okay. Okay.
Right? User should be able to edit information whenever he or she wants to do so. Yeah, looks good. Here and there small changes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Great. Sure, sure. Excellent. Thanks, Amy. Pearl, you have anything?
I did vaccinations and immunizations,
Okay.
27.
Okay. Okay. As a user, I want to view the vaccinations and immunizations that has been administered to me so that I can view it whenever I need and for further references according to the date it was given, the age, the dosage, the boosters, vaccine that is due, the date is due, alert for the upcoming vaccines via email. Okay. Organization that has been okay. So vaccines that is due. Okay. 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 This looks perfect. Perfect.
So this is okay, or should it be more elaborate, Rajiv?
No, this should be. This is perfect. Yeah.
Okay, okay,
Okay. Excellent. Excellent. Yeah. This is perfect. No worries.
okay. Yeah.
Sure. Okay. Any other story?
I just didn't have much time. I just did one, Rajiv. I thought I'll come back and do, but then it got delayed.
That's okay. That's okay.
Yeah,
No, but
thank you.
the way Pooja and Maple, you guys are putting it, you're already adding details like a pro business analyst. To be frank, you're
Thank you.
already adding details like a pro business analyst. Uh, with all the details and everything. This is what a developer expects, right? The developer wants all the details to be there as much as possible. That's when they would be understanding things, and it would be easier for them to develop. And then the more details you add initially itself, the lesser queries that the developer has. So
Mhm.
yeah, great to see that users are adding all the details. Excellent. Yeah.
Raju, quick question. So
Mhm.
when we do a stakeholder interview for what they want, so the
Mhm.
60-70% of the idea we get it right for this
Yes.
stories and acceptance
Yes.
criteria, that what they want and how they want and what they don't want.
Correct. Correct. You should get yeah, idea at big picture. You will get the big picture. Then you will break it down. When you have the big picture clarity,
Mm-hmm.
the next step for you would be to break it down into user story. That's when all these minute details comes into picture, which you have to mention in the user stories.
Yeah, no,
Those
that's our
minute
part. But like so for in general, if
Mhm.
when we talk with the stakeholder, like how they want software, what they want in the software, what they don't want, so
Mhm.
we can get the idea, right? Like how it,
Yes, yes.
what we writing down everything here. So like 60-70% of the idea we get it from there, right? Like what they
Yeah,
want. It's
absolutely. Yeah, totally agree. Totally agree.
okay.
That's right. Yeah. Okay. Any other questions?
Mm, no.
But when we work with the different domains, the homework that we have to do will be entirely different, right? Like customers.
Yeah. The thing, the way you do would be same, but
Okay.
the
Like we need to get to know the details. Like since this is
details. Yeah.
health, we already know most of it. But if it's something that we are not aware of, or just we know it from the surface, then we have to do a lot of homework to get all these
Yes.
details. Right?
Yes. 100%. 100%. Lot of
So,
homework. That's when you need to talk to a lot of. If you are new to the organization, the people who
mhm,
are there in the organization for longer time, you get knowledge from them and
okay.
slowly start populating things. Get it reviewed with them. They'll
Mhm,
give inputs. So that way, it would be better. But
okay.
yeah, handholding is required for couple of months at least there.
Mhm, mhm.
Yeah. Right. Any other questions? Okay, if not, yeah, maybe we'll close for today. It was good to review all the stories, and I'm really happy that the way things are elaborated. I'm happy that I'm satisfied that you guys are getting it. Yeah, to be
Okay.
frank, I have seen other batches where they don't even take up. So I would be in a dilemma. Did they understand or not? But with the way all of you have written, I am confident that yeah, you got things
It was
great.
very scary when we started. Like first I was
Yeah,
starting the down
yeah,
and
me
then
too. I was
it
like, how to start? Then I just went through the last videos. First, I knew that, and then I started.
Yeah, exactly. So that that dedication, if you put, yeah, you'll easily get it. Yeah, great. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
We'll all catch up tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Monday. Oh no, tomorrow Friday, right? Yeah, I forget.
yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah.
Take
Thank you,
care. Good night.
Rajiv.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thanks.